Well, greetings once more. This is Computer Practice and N6 Microsoft Word. And this lesson is going to focus on line spacing and line numbering. All right, let's have a look on the objectives of the lesson. Firstly, we need to check how to set the margins on the page of Microsoft Word, how to centralize text vertically. I know that we are aware of horizontal center right here. We need to centralize it vertically. The issue of line spacing as well as line numbering, which is divided into 3. Line numbering, we have got a continuous, restart it in each page and restart in each section. So this is what is going to be covered in this short presentation. Right, let's go straight to Microsoft Word document. As you can see, this is my Microsoft Word document. As you can see, it's made of about 4 pages. The very first thing to do in this one, you can see the topic is on its own page and is aligned on top of the page. Right, what we need to do here is to centralize this topic vertically. All right, let's have a look how to do that. As you can see, my cursor on the left hand side of the topic, you go to page setup, you choose layout in this page setup dialog box, then you choose center. You can see vertical alignment here, it's top, then you change this to center and OK. Now you can see the topic is now vertically centered. There is an equal space on top and at the bottom part of the page. So that is what vertical center is all about. All right, the next one, let's go straight to these paragraphs. As you can see, let's start by aligning or assigning a full justification to this document. In order to align a full justification, we need to select the entire text from all pages and look for full justification. The full justification, well, as you can see here, so the entire document now is fully justified. Right, moving on once again, as I've said, page 1 is just a topic, so we move to the second page with a text. Right now, we need to continue to the issue of line spacing. For now, I can simply choose one paragraph, and this paragraph is the one I'm going to use to assign different line spacings. As it's selected, the shortcut is to go to right click and go to paragraph. So you've got different options of line spacing here. As you can see right now, it's just single. If I can assign 1.5, then you can see the change. The lines are now, or sentences are now scattered. Back again, increase to double spacing. Double spacing. You can see right now that the lines are now more scattered than before. So that is what line spacing is all about. But please take note, during your assessment, you don't simply change the line spacing for the entire document, but you change the line spacing for the specified paragraphs or phrases. Right, if I can take this back to single, you can see the change again, as you can see. When I'm done with the line spacing, let's go straight to margins. In order to set the margins, again, you need to go to layout. That's where you will get the margins. Go down to custom margins. You can see left is 3.3 centimeters, right is 3.36 centimeters. Let's say they've said make it 2.5 on both left and right. 2.5 centimeters left and also 2.5 centimeters right. See the change on your page. And please make sure that you don't ignore these instructions of margins, as most of students seem to ignore this instruction. Even if your page is still blank, if you have been told to align certain margins, make sure that you do it even shortly before you start with editing of your document. Right, that is how we change our margins. Well, finally, the issue is about line numbering. As I've said, we've got line numbering, which is continuous, restarting each page and restarting each section. Let's start with continuous. Well, as you can see, right on layout, there are line numbers here. If I can choose continuous, you can see at the end of this page, it ends at line 46. The next one, the next page continues to line 47 because it is continuous. Right. Let me change to restart. Restart in each page. Same procedure, line spacing, restart each page. You can see there is one here. Starting from one on the next page, right? The last line is 45. And on the next page, the numbering restarts from one again because we have said restart in each page. Finally, restart in each section. Please take note of that because this is common in most of our previous assessments. So if you need to restart in each section, let's have a look. Line numbering, restart each section. Right, you can see. If restart each section, this one is wrong. If it is supposed to restart in each section, that simply means at the end of each paragraph, it must restart the paragraph. But unfortunately, you can see here, this is line number 7, 8, 9, or even on a new paragraph, it is continuing. So how to get rid of this so that each paragraph restart or each section restarts? So you simply click here at the beginning of each section, continuous break here. As you can see, it ends at number 8. Now this one starts at number 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 5. We need this to restart again. You put your cursor here, continuous break again. As you can see, it starts from number 1 again. This paragraph ends here. This should be line number 1 again because restart in each section. You simply put your cursor there, then you apply continuous breaks. So you continue with your continuous breaks like this, and that is how we restart in each section. So this is very important, especially the last option of line numbering. The one restart in each section has got more than the first two. So I hope you understood this one. So on our next lesson, we'll be continuing on the very same document, but with different skills. That is all for this one. Thank you.